would like to start. I'd like to introduce my colleague and compatriot over at SUNY Plattsburgh, John Little, the pale brown dot, climate changed.
The older I get, the worse my short-term memory gets. But I'm going to try not to read, but just to remind myself. And I'm ready to go. How's this? Good. All right. Great. Good. So imagine a miracle, a planet teeming with life. That's ours. Other planets with life? We don't really know. That makes Earth a singular miracle. I've spent my life documenting this truly amazing planet. Welcome to Earth. I'm a traveler, curious. These stars remind me of my place in the universe. Tonight, I'll connect the dots, the universe, planets, us, and our future. The universe is ancient. What amazing journey did life take to become these kudus? All that there is occupies scales in time and space that we can't even begin to imagine. They're beyond our comprehension. Nature's vistas fill me with wonder. Rock of Ages. Beauty is fleeting, evanescent. I keep my cameras ready, just in case. I think I'll speak slower. Life started here 3.5 billion years ago. The Tasmanian moment hints at timelessness. You can see the Southern Cross in the upper right or upper left. From simple life, we evolved. Life is rare. We're the only known planet with life. How life arrived isn't so important, though. How it might end is very important. Even small temperature changes matter. Life is never invincible. This bird's flight reminds us its ancestors were dinosaurs, by the way. A lot of people don't probably know that. 5 extinctions on this planet happened. Species are connected, like dominoes. Some species survived, like this guy. This ancient crocodile is part of life's tapestry. Most species didn't make it, though. 99% of the species on this planet have failed. Our planet is warming. These elephants, as strong as they are, as big as they are, as immovable as they might seem to be, they're no match for climate change. Greenhouse gases are accelerating, and we're losing time. Greenhouse gases trap heat. Whoops. Sorry. Hundreds of species are gone. These Grand Canyon layers, a timeline of life, are extinctions witnessed. Human actions are driving extinction faster. Greenhouse gases trap heat. This sentinel flamingo watches and waits. He has no idea what's coming. Urgency is lacking for some. Iceland's magnificent desolation. It's a beautiful warning. We choose profit over preservation. Some know, but don't act. This lonesome pine serves a cautionary tale. We are alone too. We must depend on ourselves. There is no help beyond this world. This could be the future for our rainforests. This is the sunrise at Uluru in my other home, Australia. Uluru is vast, arid, and lifeless, and that's a world that we are likely to inherit unless we don't make changes. What will we sacrifice? These ducks eat plants. Predators eat ducks. No plants, no ducks, no life. It's a house of cards. Will we cause the sixth great extinction? New Zealand's fjords are beautiful, and dolphin leaps from her shallows. Such wonder. How long will it last? These animals are so fragilely connected to each other that if you start to remove any of these animals from the landscape, others perish. You don't need convincing. This group, you, none of you. I feel like the mothership called me home. I see wonder. I see helplessness. How to convince the deniers? It won't be easy, but I have a plan. Kill a species, kill other species. These macaques are us, but not. They can't stop the world from dying. They cannot change the world, but we can. Nature reminds us what we must fight for. Nature's plea. We have to listen. I hear it. Do they? I hope they do. We destroy our environment. We will feel hunger. Some will make war to feed their own. Extinction? Nuclear holocaust? I choose action. I choose hope. I choose life. Thank you.